Another type of data that I want to bring in is the cost estimate. And we do have a cost estimate done for us here in Excel. And what we did in this particular model was we created hammocks to coincide with our different cost elements. Some of these cost elements are time dependent, some are time independent, but we added them right into the model as a way to map the costs and link the schedule up to the cost information. So again, I'll go ahead and select my data and we'll do a copy. And in this case, we want to go ahead and turn on our cost columns. I see that they're turned off over here. So we'll take the distribution, the min, most likely the max, the behavior. I also see my cost planned. Let's go bring that over in the same spot. I'm pretty sure the distribution was over at the end here in Excel. So just like that, we've got the data now ready to bring in. But how do we bring up our hammocks? So we can use our quick filter. Go search for hammocks. We can turn off the WBS. And just like that, now we see a view that's really analogous to our cost estimate in Excel. So we can come bring in the data. We'll just double check the columns, planned, min, most likely max, distribution, and behavior. And once we're ready, we can right click and we'll do paste data. So I hope you're seeing just how well Excel and NetRisk can work hand in hand. We view the two working, very well together and not replacing one or the other. The integration is definitely very important to us and our SMEs.